2021 mains examination, some of the most important topics that you must cover before your examination. Now first is agriculture and developments related to agriculture. So what all we focus here is, first of all, increasing farmers income. The next is, in light of the farmers protest, the historic farmer protests that have shaped the geography of the region are important. Then we have stubble burning and the solutions for stubble burning. Organic farming is again an important topic. Financing in agriculture, another important topic. And then we have the issues which relate for innovative technologies. So what have been the innovative technologies globally and how we can progress based on the innovation. So those are some of the important topics that you must cover in agriculture. A very important topic this time. For sure there would be 1 to 2 questions from this section. The next very important question is health geography. Under health geography, we focus on disease ecology, we focus on geography of pandemics. Now, all these classes have been covered separately. The link have been provided in the next slide, so you can just go back and check those topics. Very important, very contemporary. The next is, in light of the lockdown, there was a migration pattern that was observed, and this pattern was reverse migration. So what is reverse migration? How it affects the economy of the urban area, and the prospects that we have to find in the rural area become important. So reverse migration, counter urbanization are some of the very important topics for this time. Again, with the changing patterns of lifestyle and changing work patterns, there is a new concept that has evolved over the years, and that is lone eagle cities. Lone eagle cities are the cities where the basic idea shifts from work from home. And when there is work from home concept, what happens in the city? It appears lonely. Okay, so that is the concept under lone eagle cities. Again, this has been covered separately in one of the lectures at YouTube. So just go back and check that. Climate change and Arctic permafrost, a very important topic. We would be covering this in tomorrow's morning lecture. So stay tuned for this update. Again, issues related to climate change are very important. Recently, in the Down to Earth edition of December, there was a concept where food and carbon footprints were discussed, and how the concept of mock meat has evolved over the years. All these strengthen the amount of carbon footprints being released into the atmosphere. So what are the healthy food habits and how we can reduce the carbon footprints? Again, related to climate change, we have covered one of the case studies, which was Vanavatu case study. Similar to that, we have the case study of Naru that we have covered. These are very important case studies that you can bring in your examples while discussing the questions. Okay, now as we said, we have the links here for some of the important lectures that we have covered so far. Todaro's model has been recently very important. It has been recently included as part of your new net syllabus, and therefore becomes important for your UPSC as well. Similarly, we have the Libestein's theory and Sadler theory in population that we have covered separately. Again, part of the new syllabus for net becomes important for your UPSC examination. So Sadler's theory and Libestein's theory, and be very particular regarding the Sadler's theory. A lot of places you have incorrect information about Sadler theory. The next is, when it comes to the map location, lakes of India become an important topic here. We have covered the major lakes of India in one of the classes, so you can refer the lakes in those classes. Similar to the lakes, we have also covered the streets and the major isthmus. Very important topics. Cover those very carefully. Coming on to health ecology, as we said, health geography has been a very important topic. So how the disease ecology works, what are the pathology, what is the pathology, how we can prevent it. Along with that, as we said, geography of pandemics is growing, and that is again an important topic. Besides that, another important topic is medical tourism, how India has been one of the flourishing destinations for medical tourism. The medical services being provided at nearly one-tenth the cost as in United States and UK, and therefore there are blooming prospects here. But what are the indicators that we need to take into account. Also, in light of the COVID scenario, one more important topic is the biomedical waste, how biomedical waste can be managed, and what are the protocols that have been given by the government for the same. The various apps that have been released at the local levels, you can bring out the case study of one of the apps to explain this phenomena, as in the case of Mumbai. The Sadler's theory, as we said, is one of the popular theories in population studies, and this density theory is important. The next is with the Indo-China tensions going on, geography of Ladakh become important. So what are the divisions under Ladakh? So Leh and Kargil, the people, the climate, the ethnicity there, and then we also focus on the various subsections in the region of Leh and Kargil, specifically the region of Dras, Chiktan and Sanku, which are very, very important, the regions in Kargil. So those are extremely important topics in the geography of India section. You must cover these topics very, very carefully. The next is with light to agricultural development. There was a special edition in Kurukshetra in the September 2020 where we focused on agricultural research, the smart and precision agriculture. Now we can bring about studies from Israel, where we also have the concept of drip irrigation in Moab Desert, which is another important concept. Also in agriculture, we have innovative techniques like super absorbent polymers being used these days. So what are hydrogels, how they have been increasing the amount of water retention in the soil is another important topic, and these are some kind of developments that you must know. And even these are something that if there is a question related to agriculture, water conservation, you can bring this as examples, as case studies. The next is the use of coconut fuel that has been seen widely in Vanuatu, and how pig farming has been growing because of the lack of fishes due to environment and climate change in the region. So those are some of the changes in the field of environment. Climate refugee is another important problem, and it is believed that in the coming next 20 to 30 years there would be a huge lot of population that would be directly or indirectly affected by climate migration. So climate migration, climate refugees become a very, very important topic, specifically in light of small island developing nations. The next is biomimicry. We have studied an example of how beaver actually makes a dam and conserves the environment naturally. So what could be the related HEP solutions, the hydroelectric solutions for the similar protocol? How natal turbine can be used to have a clear movement of salmons and eels across freshwater and saline water without being affected by the blades of the turbine. So those are some of the case studies. Similarly, how whale has played an important role in carbon neutrality and mitigating climate change is again important. Then this is a total recent addition in your net syllabus for geography, and therefore becomes very, very important for your UPSC as well. And this is Jellin's studies, how geopolitics has developed to the contemporary geopolitics of climate change, resource, trade, water, energy. We have covered this in one of the elaborate lectures that is there. Blobs, the heat waves are one of the important topics, how Pacific waters are warming. Similarly, Amazon rainforest is another important issue, how the Amazon rainforest are getting reduced at a fast pace, and also the forest fires in the parts of Western North America. So those are some of the related, regionally related, we could say, topics that are there, very, very important. So I repeat again, forest fires, blob in the Pacific waters, and then you have Amazon rainforest and the tipping point, which we have covered in a separate lecture. So some of the very, very important points. Climate refugees, environmental migration, climate related migration is something that we have discussed, and India's lead in this is the National Action Plan on Climate Change, NAPCC. Again, a very important topic, a recent development that we have seen from India's side. Along with that, we also need to focus on renewable energy. So how lithium powered batteries have been important. NEOM, which is one of the cities being newly developed in Saudi Arabia, sorry, has been working on green hydrogen. So again, green hydrogen is one of the potential development aspects of renewable sources of energy that we need to know about. Ethanol blended fuels is another important aspect that India is moving forward with, and the railways utilizing a lot of renewable ways of solar gridding, and then you have biodiesels and biofuels that is being used. So those are some of the important topics and case studies that you can substantiate with your answer. Since you have only 2 days in hand, wish you a very good luck. If you have any doubts, any questions, feel free to post those in the comments, and all these important topics have been covered on the channel. We have provided you the links here, so just for a quick recap, you can refer that. Last time we discussed the GLOF, and that was one of the probable questions. So again, I recommend that the expected questions that we had covered last year remain important for this year as well. So do not miss out those topics as well. We would be providing the description, the link for the last year's expected questions in the description below. Have a wonderful day.